interdependence. Nature is like a web. Every animal, plants, and insects plays a role. If you remove or harm one part of this web, the whole system is affected. This is called ecosystem interdependence. For example, frogs eat mosquitoes. If you spray chemical to kill mosquitoes, frogs also die. Then mosquitoes return even stronger because their predator is gone. The result: more spraying, the more poison, and fewer animals. This same problem happened all over the world. In Cambodia, too much fishing in Tonle Sap harms fish and people who rely on them. In America, when wolves were removed, deep
Deer.
overpopulated and destroyed.
It's a deer.
Yes?
Deer.
Deer overpopulated and destroyed plants. When bees die from pesticides, fruits and vegetables stop growing. Nature has a balance. When we hurt it, we hurt ourselves. But when we protect it, we help everyone.
Okay. Tell me, what is it?
Um, so for short, um, ecosystem interdependence, um, it means that all creatures, all living things that are in nature, all of them depend on each other to survive.
Yeah.
And plants, animal, insects are connected like a web. Like if one part is removed or harmed, it affects the whole system. Uh, like for example, um, frogs eat mosquitoes. If um, if mosquitoes were harmed or killed, then the fewer the frogs are. And bees um, pollinate plants,
Mm-hmm. Good. Yeah.
and if bees die, fruits and vegetables can't grow.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Um, yeah, I think that's all.
Okay. And then why we kill mosquito and the frog dies?
Um, Frogs eat mosquitoes to survive, and since we all don't like mosquitoes, we kill them, and so that means the frogs will die too.
Yeah. And what happened if the frog die?
Um, mm,
Like what happened to?
well, if the frog dies, the mosquito can increase,
Yeah.
and so that means more diseases will happen because some mosquitoes can carry diseases too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's true. Yeah. Okay. Good. So that is the ecosystem interdependence. And if we kill one things or we poison one species, then it will affect other. Just like in America, the wolf were removed, then the deer overpopulated, more and more deer. Then the deer will eat all the plants, so the plants are destroyed. So that's why we need deer to keep the deer population in the balance in the balance numbers. Same thing in everywhere. And what we can see here in this few example, it's just a tiny thing that we can see, but the whole ecosystem in the world is now affected. I mean, like it has been changed and it has been destroyed a lot. And that's why even now the world is going crazy because of the ecosystem is collapse. And not just on the earth, but underground, in the water, like everywhere, it's collapsed. We kill all, we destroy everything. So the ecosystem is it's not the same as before. Okay, we can move to the here is just the 5 examples of the ecosystem interdependent. You can read more here. Okay, each of you can read again. So you can see that in the
Mm,
domino effect here as well. It's just a simple thing, okay? But in the ecosystem is like very complicated than that. It's not just simple like that, but it's like more complicated. Because even mosquito is like it's a food to a lot of animals or a lot of other species, not just frog, but maybe a lot of other things can eat mosquito, can eat this kind of insects, or even like bat. If you if you kill mosquito, then the bats also has no food, for example, because the bat also eat mosquitoes. You know bats, right?
I don't know the teacher.
You don't know bats?
Um,
B-A-T, bats.
BAD. Yes.
Yeah, bats, like
BA.
T. Yeah, the bats. It's it's a mammal. It's a kind of mammal animal. It's flying like the bird, but it's not the bird. It's a kind of mammal. The chill, okay? The bat
I
also
know
eats
in
the mosquito. Even now in Cambodia, we have less and less bats. Even in my place here in Posad, before we have a lot of bats. But then there are bad because of the tree, like coconut tree, like palm tree everywhere, and people don't kill them that much, and they have food like insects, like mosquitoes. So that's why the bat can survive. But now the coconut trees are gone, the palm trees are gone, and yeah, we have less and less bats survive around here. And bat also cannot just eat the mosquito, they eat other insects, like harmful insects to our crops. Even in Battambang, there are the Num Sompo, there are like, I don't know, like 100,000s of bats who live in the cave and come out at night and go around to kill the insect, to eat the insects, so that the rice field is safe from the insects, from the harmful insect because of the bats. But that is just a small bat, like a small type, like a small types of bat. And what I used to see in around here, around my house, is like a bigger bat. But now I don't see any other bat anymore. Even the small one who live in the banana leaf, the small one like that also has. I haven't seen any bat around here anymore. So yeah, maybe it's almost gone. The big bat is almost extinct, I guess. Okay, you can read this one, and then we can go to the conversation a bit. It's just practice it.
Acquire examples of ecosystem interdependent. Example frogs and mosquitoes location in Cambodia and global domino effect spray be, to the frog big frog die, mosquito return, more chemicals,
Yeah, you see,
wolves
that is
and
like
deer.
effects. So if we cut down the webs, for example, we broke the balance, like the webs, then more and more mosquito comebacks, and then we're gonna use more and more chemicals. Same thing in the rice fields, like everywhere, it worked the same kind of domino effect, because we lost kind of balance of the natures from the ecosystem. If everything is in balance, no more, no less, they know how to do it. Like even snake, why does snake very important? Why they even the scientists now, they try to protect the snake, protect the tiger, protect other wild animal, because it affect other. If tiger, for example, extincts, then other animal might overpopulate it, and then affect to other thing and other things like that. Okay, go on.
Wolves and deer in the USA. Wolves gone. Um, this problem become too many deers and plant destroyed. In the end, a river changed. Example, bees and crabs in Cambodia and global. Bees die. No pollination. It become less fruit and less vegetables. Overfishing in Indonesia, Cambodia, too much fishing. Um, the fever fish.
Not fever, fewer.
Uh, too much fishing, fewer fish. People and animals go hungry. Mangroves cut. Cambodia
Rose cut.
coast. No trees. Fish or bird disappear. More flooding.
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 Yeah, mangrove. Who know the word mangroves? What is mangroves?
Mangrove.
Đám còng cang.
Yeah, mà vẫn còn đam con cá cắt hay là bò là tịch. Hay bạn nào hay là đam bình. Kinh là dân chua đạn.
Because vague our knowledge because
Yeah,
big knowledge and not focus on the and not observe in the nature.
yeah, they just destroy it for the land, it's mostly for the land. Okay, if they just do the farming, it's not really, because mangrove tree is a lot.
Siem Reap also the mangroves grow in the land. Forest, I mean, they plant, they grows by with the nature
Yeah,
and also in yes មានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯង
yeah.
នៅលើដីក៏មានដុះដែរមានតែមួយតំបន់ដែរទីជឿ
យើងមើលនៅខាងកោះកុងខាងអីគឺ កាត់ខ្ទេចដោយសារយកដីយកអានេះហ្នឹងធ្វើ resort ធ្វើអីហ្នឹងការពិតបើគ្រាន់តែអ្នកភូមិកាត់ធម្មតាគឺអត់ងាយអាលាយទេព្រោះអ្នកភូមិវាច្រើនគាត់កាត់យ៉ាងច្រើនណាយកធ្វើធ្យូងតែអ្នកធ្វើធ្យូងហ្នឹងក៏បំផ្លាញលឿនដែរព្រោះតែគ្រាន់តែកាត់ធ្វើនេះធ្វើនោះតិចតួចអត់ងាយដាច់ពូជទេអញ្ចឹង
Very huge,
yeah
yes. Because money, teacher.
yeah because of that kind of greedy things
Selfish.
okay we can start the conversation a little bit okay you can choose a pair okay pick one okay go ahead come on why you are silent two of you like
Um,
two at a time come on
I'm student B, student A. Bóng giá.
Yes, I am B student.
Um, what is ecosystem interdependence?
It means all parts of nature are connected. If one part of hurt, other are affected.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, if we spray to kill mosquito, frogs die. Then mosquito come back stronger
Why do frogs die?
because the prey is poison for them too.
What happens if we overfish Tonle Sap?
Fish populations fall, then people and animals don't have enough to eat.
How are mangroves important?
They protect the coast from floods and give animals a place to live.
So what should we do?
Mm, Use natural solutions like planting herbs, building pond, 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 ponds for
Um,
frogs, and protecting wild, wildlife.
Do these ideas work in Cambodia?
Yes, many farmers already use natural mix, methods and protect fish during spa, spawning season.
yeah okay another two May and Kalina
Student A, what is ecosystem independence?
It,
Connect. Oh yeah.
it means all parts of nature are connected. If one part is hurt, others are affected.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, if we spray to kill mosquitoes, frogs die, then mosquitoes come back stronger.
Why do frogs die?
Because the spray poison is for them too.
What happens if we overfish Tonle Sap?
Fish population fall, and then people and animals don't have enough to eat.
How are mangrove important?
They protect the coast from floods and give animals a place to live.
So what should we do?
Use natural solutions like planting herbs, building ponds for frogs, and protecting wildlife.
Do this idea work in Cambodia?
Yes, many farmers already use natural methods in protecting fish during spawning seasons.
Okay, good. But you can go again with Hong Im, and you can be student A.
What is ecosystem interdependence?
It means all parts of nature are connected. If one part is hurt, others are affected.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, if we spray to kill mosquito, frog dies, then mosquito come back stronger.
Why do frogs die?
Because the spray is poisoned for them too.
What happens if we overfish the lake?
Fish populations falls. The people and animals don't have enough to eat.
How are mangroves important?
They protect the coast of flows and give animals a place to live.
Flood.
So what should we do?
Flood.
So what should we do?
Use nature's solutions like planting herbs, building ponds for frogs, and protecting wildlife.
Do these ideas work in Cambodia?
Yes, many farmers already use nature's method and protect fish during spawning seasons.
Okay. Spawning. Like during the lay egg season, like breeding season, spawning. Okay. I want you to find 3 example more. Tomorrow we'll discuss about it more, like 3 example of this ecosystem interdependence. You can write it down
Yes.
as long as you can, and then we can discuss about it more. So the example, just like here, it can be something else, like for example, like frog and mosquito, the location, and then the domino effects, like what is gonna affect if one species is removed. 3 more example, okay? Don't forget it.
Yes.
You never do
Yes.
homework from me. Now start doing it and write down. See you tomorrow.
Yes. See you, teacher.